Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up a subdomain in GoDaddy. Now, a subdomain is basically a second domain on your, on your primary domain. You have a second domain, which is your subdomain. So this is basically how you can do it. So obviously, first of all, you need to sign in into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. This is where you will find all your domains. And here you just need to go to domain. On the right side, you have three dots. So go to three dots, domain edit options. This is next to your domain, and then select edit DNS. Now you may scroll down until you see edit DNS, depends on your screen size and stuff like that. So once you have that, you select add new record, and then you will need to add a new DNS record. Now here you can select A from the type menu and then enter the details for your new A record subdomain. You have name, this is the host name or prefix of the record without the domain name such as blog or shop. This is the value, you will have the value as well, which is the IP address the record will point to. So this is where your subdomain will point to. And then you have TTL, time to live, the amount of time the server should cache information before refreshing. The default setting is 1 hour. Then this is optional, but you can select add more records to add multiple DNS records at the same time. I would not advise this if you just want to go and add or set up a subdomain. And then just all you need to do is save to add your new record. If you added multiple records at the same time, select save all records. But if you just add one, which this is what you need to do, then just hit save. And that's pretty much it. Now, as you can see, most DNS changes will be, or take effect within an hour. But again, it could take up to, 2 days to update globally. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments around this, definitely comment down below. And we'll see you in more GoDaddy tutorial videos. Thank you guys for watching.